Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning once again. I'm with you people. The topic that you requested that it should be repeated once again regarding listening skills and listening in groups. So, if I talk about listening, the ability to understand, analyze, respect, and appropriately respond to the meaning of another person's spoken and non-verbal messages. This is called listening. When we receive the material in the form of some utterances, some words in the spoken form through our ear, and we try to get understanding about that very material, that very sentence, that very word, that very utterance, that is listening. And we try to answer that very utterances which we receive through our ears. जब हम अपने कानों से कुछ सुनते हैं तो हम उन अल्फाज को, उन जुमलों को, उन आवाज़ों को अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि ये किसके अल्फाज, किस का सेंटेंस है, उसका मायने क्या है और वो किस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में इस्तेमाल किया गया है. तो ऑल इज़ दिस द एबिलिटी, listening is the ability to understand, analyze, respect, and appropriately respond to the meaning of another person's spoken and non-verbal messages. If I talk about the percentage that we daily listen is 40 to 70%. Speaking we perform daily in our social life 20 to 35%. Writing we perform in the written word in the productive form that we write daily round about. The average rate of writing is 5 to 15%. Similarly, reading 10 to 20%. It means listening is the topmost ability that we perform daily from the morning and beginning. Even while we are sleeping, we often perform this activity. So, the process of listening that happens is daily in our social life is 40 to 70%. How well do we listen? किस तरह हम अच्छे तरीके से लिसनिंग कर पाते हैं. Most people, students cannot accurately report 50% of a spoken language or lecture. When you are listening in a groups, in the classroom, in some daily conversation, in some type of a question answer session, most of the people and the students can't accurately report 50% of spoken language or lecture. We start forgetting what we listen 20 minutes before. जो कुछ हमने सुना होता है 20 मिनट पहले तो हम उसको भूलना शुरू कर देते हैं. Without training, we listen at only 25% efficiency. बगैर ट्रेनिंग के हम सिर्फ 25% जो है वो इफ़ेक्टिव लिसनिंग करते हैं एंड 75% जो लिसनिंग होती है वो हमारी इफ़ेक्टिव नहीं रहती. लिसनर्स often distort or misunderstand the intended meaning of spoken images or spoken words or utterances. अक्सर लिसनर जो है वो मिसअंडरस्टैंड करते हैं जो मुमकिन मानी होते हैं उस स्पोकन मैसेज के दौरान. If I talk about the further heading is types of memory. There are two types of memory. One is short-term memory, another is long-term memory, and working memory. So first of all, short-term memory, the content a person remembers immediately after listening to a series of number, words, sentences, or paragraphs. So this is a memory that you can recall instantly, on the spot, without delaying. That is called short-term memory. The content a person remembers immediately after listening a series of numbers, words, sentences, or paragraphs. Working memory, the subsystem in the mind of a person we use to understand, remember, or use information to solve problem or communication with others. So that is used as working memory, the subsystem we use to understand, remember, or use information to solve a problem or communicate with other people. That memory is known as working memory. Now, listening in through speech and thought process. So, most people talk at 125 to 150 words per minute. Uh, Similarly, we see that most of the world just talk in 50 to 60 word per minute, and average speaker talk about 125 to 150 words per minute. People think at 400 plus word per minute. Sometimes we believe that there should be the good speed, good flow of words in a minute. So people think at 400 words per minute, while on the other hand, people talk 125 words to 150 words per minute. Throughout speed, thought speed. Thought speed is the speed at which most people can think compared to the speed at which they can speak. तो थॉट स्पीड वो स्पीड है जिसमें लोग जो है वो सोच सकते हैं, एंड पीपल कैन थिंक अबाउट 400 वर्ड्स पर मिनट, एंड पीपल कैन टॉक विद इन अ मिनट 125 वर्ड्स टू 150 वर्ड्स. What do you do with this excess time? आप इस excess टाइम से कैसे जो है वो सीखते हैं? Use your thought speed. Use your extra thought speed to identify and summarize main ideas, interpret non-verbal behavior, analyze arguments, assesses the message relevance, apply the golden listening rules. The next heading is how to apply listening golden rules while you are in a listening process. Listen to other as you would have them listen to you. So if you want to increase your listening skill, if you want to improve your listening skill, listen to other as you would have them listen to you. जैसे दूसरों को सुनना ऐसे ही है जैसे आप अपने आप को सुनते हैं. Suspend your own needs in order to listen to someone else. Suspend your own needs. अपनी तमाम तर ज़रूरियात which are you needed, उनको आपको तर्क कर देना चाहिए in order to listen to someone else. किसी दूसरे को in a effective way listen करने के लिए, when you want to listen someone other person, you must suspend the all other activities. So this was the brief introduction about how to listening and listening skills. The next is stages of listening. If I talk about stages of listening, first of all, there is a receiving stage. Uh, when you receive, when you perceive some words, some sounds in the form of words, in the form of utterances, and when you receive the word through your ear, this is called receiving stage. The first stage of the listening process is receiving stage, which involves hearing and attending. So, receiving stage involves hearing and attending. The understanding stage. The second stage in listening process is the understanding stage. Understanding or comprehension is shared meaning between parties in a communication, transactions, and constitutes the first step in the listening process. So, when you receive the words, utterances, sentences in the form of oral words, in the form of spoken word through your ears, you try to understand that very utterances, that very words, that very sentences in your mind, and in that process you start to differentiate between different sound. Stages of listening. The next stage is evaluating stage. This stage of listening process is one during which the listener assesses the information by they received both qualitatively and quantitatively. So, when you perceive, when you receive the listening in the form of some utterances, in the form of some words, and you try to understand and try to match the information you have already stored in your mind and try to answer that very information. This is called evaluation stage. You both apply qualitatively and quantitatively while you are evaluating the sounds you listen. The responding stage, when you evaluate, when you match with the information that is already stored into your mind, and after evaluating that very sound, that very information you received, and after getting some understanding into your mind, you try to respond, you try to answer, you try to feedback. So that stage is called responding stage. When you try to answer, when you try to give answer of that very utterance or spoken words or some type of question. So that is responding stage. The responding stage is the stage of listening process wherein the listener provides verbal and non-verbal reactions based on the short or long-term memory. Following the remembering stage, a listener can respond to what they hear either verbally or non-verbally. So, रिस्पॉन्डिंग स्टेज वो स्टेज होती है लिसनिंग के अमल की जिसमें लिसनर जो को आप वर्बल और नॉन वर्बल जो है रिएक्शंस जो है के ऊपर मुश्तमिल मुख्तसर या लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी जो है वो वो रिस्पॉन्ड करता है बाय यूजिंग शॉर्ट टर्म और लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी का इस्तेमाल करके. Following the remembering stage, a listener can respond to what they hear either verbally or non-verbally. Stages of listening. The remembering stage. In the listening process, the remembering stage occurs as the listener categorizes and retains the information she is gathered she has gathered from the speaker. For future assess the result, memory allows the person to record information about people, objects, and events for later recall. This happens both during and after of speaker's delivery. So, remembering stage is the stage when you try to match and try to remember the already information that is stored into your mind, and you try to match that very information with the already information that is stored into your mind, into your memory, whether it is in located in short term memory or long term memory. So you remember the already information regarding that information you just received, यानी आपके पहले जो आपने इंफॉर्मेशन रिसीव की होती है, जो आपका जो प्रायर नॉलेज होता है, आप उसको रिमेंबर करते हैं और उसको रिमेंबर करने के बाद आप उसको मैच करते हैं, एंड दिस रिमेंबरिंग result allow the person to record information about people, objects, and events for later recall. This happens both during and after the speaker's delivery. So next is why go to the class if you are in a group and you are listening in group. So when you go to in a class, what is the purpose of listening and how listening affects on the listeners in a group listening. Class participation. If you don't attend class, you can't participate in class activities. Class activities are usually part of your final grade, and they can help you apply concepts you learn from lectures and reading assignments. So that is very important when you go to class in groups and you sit in a class and you listen, try to listen, and when you listen in a group, you construct better understanding regarding the your listening material. So if you don't attend class, you can't participate in class activities. Class activities are usually part of your final grade, and they can help you apply concepts you learn from lectures regarding assignments. So it is very important part of your listening while you stay in class in the form of groups and you listen in the group form. Another important thing that when you visit your class, you can learn your activities, you can understand certain type of skills. So all is there in the form of class participation and class listening. Another important thing that when you visit your class, you interact with the other students, not only other students, with the speaker, with the teachers, and you have a healthy experience of your listening, your understanding with peer learning, and in group listening, you develop your learning ability in the form of listening, in the form of understanding, in the form of clarification regarding the material that you receive. If you rely on learning on your own by doing the reading assignments outside of class, for example, you will miss out on the same question as you. So going to class enable you to learn from them and ask your instructor about the topics you all find difficult. So it becomes very easier for you people where you feel difficulty, where you feel ambiguity in the topic, and where you feel some type of uh, ambiguous idea, and you feel that there is a hurdle for you, and you are feeling that there is a difficult vocabulary, and you are not uh, pronouncing correctly, and you are not understanding the meaning of that very vocabulary. And similarly, if you are not understanding the ideas, अगर आप ideas को नहीं समझ रहे तो you can go to your class, and by interacting with class, with interacting with your teacher, you can better understand. You can perform activities. You can perform activity of group listening in the class, and you can establish your better understanding during the class. Another important thing, while you go into your class, why there is need to be go into class and listen in the group form, and interact and participate with the activities that are being performed in the classroom. So uh, one important other factor that when you visit your class, when you go to your class, is that uh, you interact with the instructor. सो इंटरेक्शन विद द इंस्ट्रक्टर मीन आप टीचर से किस तरह इंटरेक्ट करते हैं जब आप क्लास में होते हैं. देर इज़ अ रीज़न वाई क्लासेज आर टाट बाई इंस्ट्रक्टर्स. इसकी एक वजह है कि क्यों जो है वो टीचर या साजा जो हैं वो क्लासें पढ़ाते हैं. इंस्ट्रक्टर्स स्पेशलाइज इन द सब्जेक्ट्स. इंस्ट्रक्टर्स जो होते हैं वो अपने सब्जेक्ट्स में स्पेशलाइज किया होता है. दे टीच एंड दे कैन प्रोवाइड एक्स्ट्रा इंसाइट and perspective on the material you are studying. Going to class gives you the chance to take notes and ask questions about the lectures. Also, the more you participate, the more your instructors will come to know you and be aware of any help or support you might need it. So it is very healthy activity. When you visit your class, you can understand your ideas which are difficult, which are ambiguous, which are you feel that some type of ideologies that are confusing. When you visit your class, your teacher continuously, when he or she interact with you people, he can establish better understanding among his learners, among his students. So it is very important to visit your classroom, because lot of experience regarding in group discussion and group listening, and the class activities, and the better understanding of students can easily be achieved by visiting your class. So interaction with the instructor, when you interact with the instructor, and the teacher can also become aware with the student's deficiency, and he can provide more assistance or help to those students who are unable to cope with the other students or have lack of understanding about a particular topic. तो टीचर भी जो है वो बड़े अच्छे तरीके से समझ सकता है कि किस तरह से उसने जो है आपको सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करनी है. Another important thing is that why we go to the class and get understanding in the form of group listening, group discussion, taking part in the class activities, and other getting some understanding about other concepts. So increasing learning, when you visit your class, your learning increased. You start to learn peer learning, you start to learn group learning, and you, with the help of your class fellow discussion, you can get more and better understanding of that very topic, that very concept. So when you go to your class and attend your class, it increase your learning. Even though you will typically spend more time on coursework outside of the classroom, this makes class sessions even more valuable. Typically, in class time will be devoted to the most challenging or key concepts covered in your textbooks. It's important to know that what these are, so you can master them. Also, they are likely to show up on exams. So, even though you will typically spend more time on coursework outside of the classroom, this makes less class sessions even more valuable. So, typically, in the class time will be devoted to the most challenging or key concepts covered in your textbooks. It's important to know what these are so you can master them. Also, they are likely to show up on exam. So the topics you discussed in class that can enhance your learning understanding level, and it can help you in your final exam because you in your classroom many people discuss typical topics of their learning outcomes. The next is types of listeners in group. Action oriented listeners. The first category of the listeners in the classroom are in the form of listening process or action oriented listener. By comparison, prefer to focus on tasks they that they and their fellow communicators have set up for themselves. Action oriented listener will be generally retain and share details and information which they believe will keep a group moving. So action oriented listeners will generally increase uh, their action oriented listener will generally retain and share details and information which they believe will keep a group moving. So this is an other important factor that is involved in uh, action oriented listening. Types of listener in group. कंटेंट ओरिएंटेड लिसनर, जब आप सिर्फ हेडिंग को सुनते हैं और डिटेल को नहीं सुनते, वो सिर्फ हेडिंग्स को सुनते हैं, तो उन लिसनर्स को हम बोलते हैं कंटेंट ओरिएंटेड लिसनर्स. और दोज हु आर particularly about the specifics of groups discussion, they tend to seek, provide and analyze information that has been gathered through research. What they primarily choose to hear and to share with others, thus, is material they consider to be factual. So they just focus on content oriented listeners. Types of listeners in groups. Pseudo listeners. Pseudo listeners pretend to listen, यानी बहाना करना कि हम लिसन नहीं कर रहे हैं बट वो कहीं और पहुंच जाते हैं, क्लास में घर पहुंच जाते हैं, नमाज़ पढ़ते हुए जैसे हमारा ख्याल जो है कहीं और हो जाता है. तो वी प्रिटेंड दैट वी आर ऑफरिंग प्रेयर बट वी रीच समवेयर एल्स. इसी तरह जब क्लास में स्टूडेंट बैठे होते हैं, दे प्रिटेंड दैट दे आर इन अ लिसनिंग प्रोसेस बट एक्चुअली मेंटली दे मूव अवे समवेयर. वो कुछ और सोच रहे होते हैं, वो कुछ अपने माइंड के अंदर कुछ और सोच रहे थे. दैट इज़ प्रिटेंड लिसनर्स और सॉडो लिसनर्स. सॉडो लिसनर प्रिटेंड टू लिसन, वो बहाना करते कि वो लिसन कर रहे हैं बट आर रियली सम प्लेस एल्स मेंटली, लेकिन ज़हनी तौर पर वो किसी और जगह होते हैं. यू मे नोट्स एट एप्रोप्रिएट टाइम, आप उसमें अपने मौजूद वक्त पर अपना सर भी हिला सकते हैं. लुक द स्पीकर इन आई, आप स्पीकर की आंखों में भी वो देखते रहते हैं. और रिस्पॉन्ड ऑन क्यू, या किसी इशारे पर जो है वो जो है जवाब भी देते हैं. बट बिहाइंड द मास्क दे आर डे ड्रीमिंग, लेकिन मास्क के पीछे, पर्दे के पीछे वो दिन में ख्वाब देख रहे थे. सॉल्विंग अ पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम, अपने कोई ज़ाती मसाइल हल कर रहे होते हैं. और फॉर्मिंग अ रीज़न टू व्हाट इज़ बीइंग सेड, या कोई ऐसी वजह तलाश कर रहे होते हैं, बना रहे होते हैं कि क्या कुछ कहा गया है. A pseudo listener cannot contribute to the group process in an effective way. एक साडो लिसनर जो होता है वो ग्रुप के प्रोसेस के अंदर एक अमल को कंट्रीब्यूट करता है इन एन इफेक्टिव वे, एक मौसर तरीके से, बिकॉज ही इज़ नॉट केयरफुली listening to what is going on in the group. क्योंकि वो एक जो सॉडो लिसनर होता है वो कंट्रीब्यूट करता है ग्रुप के प्रोसेस में इन an effective way because he is not carefully listening to what is going to be spoken or what is going on in the groups. They just pretend, they just pose that they are listening, but actually they are somewhere else mentally. So these are called shadow listeners or pretense listeners. Art of rephrasing. जब आप किसी के कहे हुए अल्फाज को, क्वेश्चन को, उसके जवाब को अपने अल्फाज में दोबारा से रीफ्रेज कर देते हैं, दोबारा बयान कर देते हैं। जैसे कैन आई कम, तो इसको अगर मैं इस सेंटेंस को दोबारा से रीफ्रेज करूं तो ये बनेगा एक्सक्यूज़ मी, कैन आई कम इन द रूम, कैन आई कम, वुड यू लाइक टू परमिट मी to enter myself in this room. So this is art of rephrasing, the ability to restate what people say in the way that they indicate the ability to restate what people say in the way that indicate you understand them. So when you restate the words, sentences, paragraphs in your own words and the people understand it, the ability to restate what people say, जो कुछ भी लोग बोलते हैं ये कहते हैं, आपके इसमें जो वो सलाहियत होती है दोबारा से बयान करने की उन अल्फाज को अपने अल्फाज में, that ability is known as art of rephrasing. A form of feedback that asks, am I right? Is this what you mean? Matches the content, depth, meaning and language of members' message. So such type of rephrasing, can I show that you have got the idea, you have got the understanding about that very topic. So this is called rephrasing. जब आप अपने अल्फाज में एबिलिटी आपके पास होती है, आप किसी के कहे हुए अल्फाज को, कही हुई बातों को, सेंटेंसेस को जब अपने अल्फाज में दोबारा बयान करते हैं तो ये रीफ्रेजिंग कहलाती है। अगर मैं इसको यूँ मिसाल दूँ कि रीफ्रेजिंग जो है वो आप पॉलिटिकल आइडियोलॉजी की भी रीफ्रेजिंग करते हैं, आप सॉन्ग्स की भी कर लेते हैं। जैसे एक जुमला है, एक फेमस ड्रामा सीरियल दैट वाज वंस पार्ट ऑन टेलीविज़न, मेरे पास तुम हो। अगर इसको मैं यूँ कहूँ, इसको रीफ्रेज करूँ तो ये रीफ्रेज में बन जाएगा तुम्हारे पास मैं आया। या इसको यूँ भी कह सकते हैं कि आई लाइक स्ट्रॉबेरीज एंड रीफ्रेज वुड बी माय फेवरेट फ्रूट इज़ स्ट्रॉबेरी। तो ये जो मैंने दोबारा से माय फेवरेट फ्रूट इज़ स्ट्रॉबेरी, दिस इज़ my ability to rephrase the sentence in my own words. How to listen. Another heading regarding listening. Special time to have the difficult conversation. Set aside a special time when you will not be disturbed. Close the door and turn off the lights. जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। जी मैडम, मैम फौजिया तो अभी घर पे होंगी। रिज़ल्ट कार्ड आपने किस क्लास का पूछना? ओके चलें आप मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ ना, आप 9 बजे कॉल कर लीजिएगा या 9:30 बजे कॉल कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है। हाँ, how to listen. There is a special time to have a difficult conversation. Set aside a special time when you will not be disturbed. Close the door and turn off the TV, music player, and instant messages client. So that could be used time as a uh, conversation when you are in a conversation process and you listen deeply and concentrate on that very information. So such type of information is known as peak time, when you are listening closely and you are involved in that very information. Acknowledge. Let the other person acknowledge that you have listened to the message or read it attentively. Mean, when you are in a listening process, you must be clearly listen the message and acknowledge that you have got the information or idea that you have listened. The next, how to listen. Non-judgmental. Receive the message without judgment or criticism. Set aside your opinion, attitude, and belief. So, non-judgmental attitude divert your listening. So, when you listen with the idea that you are judging the idea through the listening process, when you receive the message without judgment or criticism, set aside your opinion, attitude and belief. तो आपका जो है वो जो रवैया है, वो आपकी जो एटीट्यूड है, वो आपकी बिलीफ सिस्टम, वो सारी की सारी एक तरफ रख देगा. यू कांट अंडरस्टैंड द आइडिया और द कोर मैसेज दैट यू वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड. Acceptance. Be open to message being communicated, realizing that acceptance does not necessarily mean you agree with what is being said. So be open to the message being communicated, realizing that acceptance does not necessarily mean you agree with what is being said. How to listen. Don't interrupt while the speaker is speaking. Try to be a silent listener and listen what he or she is saying and try to get understanding of that very material. So don't interrupt during the speaking. Keep silence while you let the other person speak their pieces. Make an effort to understand and digest news without mental interruptions. टेक टर्न. टेक टर्न होता है अपनी बारी का इंतज़ार करना या अपनी बारी लेना. व्हेन यू गेट द चांस टू आंसर, सो टॉक. अदरवाइज अगर एक शख्स बातें कर रहा है और दूसरा शख्स बीच में बोलना शुरू कर देता है, वो अपनी टर्न नहीं. टेक द टर्न मीन अगर जब आपकी बारी आती है तो तब आप अपना जो है वो बात करते हैं. So wait until is your turn to respond, then measure your response in proportion to the message that was delivered to you. Reciprocal turn taking allows each person have their say. तो रेसिप्रोकल जो है जिसमें आमने सामने, जैसे मैंने आपसे स्टूडेंट से कह रहा हूँ और आप मुझसे जो है वो इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो रेसिप्रोकल जो है वो इंटरेक्शन इसका वो करता है कि आप जो है वो अपनी चीज़ें जो हैं लिसनिंग की वो अच्छे तरीके से अंडरस्टैंड करने के ऊपर वो अपना मैसेज जो है वो कन्वे कर सके. सो इन द लिसनिंग प्रोसेस व्हेन यू आर इन अ लिसनिंग वेट फॉर योर टर्न. आप अपनी बारी का इंतज़ार करें. जब आपकी बारी हो तब आपने जो है वो लिसनिंग करनी है या स्पीक करना है या आंसर बैक करना है. हाउ टू लिसन देन. अंडरस्टैंडिंग. Be certain that you understand what your partner is saying. If you don't understand, ask for clarification. Restate the message in your own word. जब आप लिसनिंग प्रोसेस में हो तो आपने अपने पार्टनर्स से ये कहना है, अगर तो आपको समझ नहीं आई तो उसे दोबारा कहें कि वो उसको समझ नहीं आई तो क्लैरिफाई इट, रीस्टार्ट स्टेट द मैसेज, कि वो मैसेज को दोबारा से बयान कर दे। रिपीट व्हाट यू जस्ट हर्ड, जो कुछ आप सुनते हैं उसको तो एक दफ़ा दोहरा लें। रिपीट व्हाट यू हैव जस्ट हर्ड, वो जो कुछ आपने सुना होता है उसको आप दोबारा दोहरा लेते हैं। In this way, you get the mastery over your listening or your material you just want to understand. Another important thing in listening, listen for what is not being said. और आप अल्फाज कुछ कहे जाते हैं, उनके दरमियान मफ़हूम होते हैं, तो लिसनिंग बिटवीन द वर्ड्स, यानी आप कुछ कहा जाता है तो उनके दरमियान भी आप जो कुछ नहीं भी कहा जाता तो उसको भी आप अंडरस्टैंड कर लेते हैं। ओके, सी यू, देखूँगा तो मतलब मैंने कल आना है, तो सी यू इंशाल्लाह। तो मतलब मैं कहना ये चाह रहा हूँ कि आई विल सी टू यू मारो। सो अंडरस्टैंड, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड बिटवीन द वर्ड्स, जो कुछ कहा गया उसको भी समझने और जो कुछ नहीं कहा गया उसको भी समझने कुछ। इफ़ एन इंस्ट्रक्टर डजंट कवर अ सब्जेक्ट और कवर इट ओनली minimally, this signals that the material is not as important as the ideas covered in the greater length. So try to understand, कि आप अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करते हैं। सेकंड थिंग कि कुछ मटेरियल ऐसा होता है जो ऐसे ही बोला जाता है बट देयर इज़ नो इम्पोर्टेंस, तो यू हैव टू गेट द आइडिया minutely and precisely. Take notes. We cover taking notes in much greater detail. When you are in a listening process, take some notes so that you may be able to understand and develop your understanding after listening the material. So note taking play a vital role in your understanding level. We cover taking notes in much greater detail later in the next chapter, but for now, think about how taking note can help recall that what your instructor has just said, and how notes can help you organize your thoughts for taking or taking material or asking questions. So if you are doing in your listening process note taking uh, activity, it will help you people to organize your material, to record your information permanently into your mind. It becomes very easier for the listener to elaborate and highlight his or her ideas in the form of uh, some clearly perceived or listening thoughts or ideas. So note taking play vital role. When you listen, you can organize, you can understand in a better way. This could be very helping and to retain the information you have just heard permanently. So all the time keep it in your mind that you are playing with the speaker with the intentions that you have performed in your listening, that you are with active mind of listening. So here are some references you can use, references to understand the idea about the communication, especially in listening. So the screen is in front of you people. You can utilize this screen to elaborate, to understand more precisely the concept of how to listen. If I talk about from the beginning, we discussed listening, stages of listening, listening rules, all that stages listening stages. Then we have why there is need to go to the classrooms. So class participation is very important, class interaction is very important, why interaction with the instructor is very important, and increase learning. If you visit your class, it will enhance your learning. Action oriented listeners, that listeners are focus on the task, and their fellow communicators have set themselves. Action oriented listeners will generally retain and share detail and information which they believe will keep a group moving. Types of listeners in groups: content oriented listeners who focus on content. So, all is this about listening. टाइप्स ऑफ लिसनर ग्रुप सॉडो लिसनर्स हो सकते हैं जो बहाना करते हैं कि जी हम लिसनिंग कर रहे हैं बट दे आर लॉस समवेयर। हाउ टू लिसन स्पेशल टाइम जिसमें आप एक्नॉलेज करते हैं। नॉन जजमेंटल लिसनिंग एक्सेप्टेंस don't interrupt while you are in a listening process to the speaker or wait for your turn taking. So these were the part of today lecture. I hope you have understand. If you feel any difficulty, you can discuss with me, you can talk with me regarding your listening. Thank you very much. I have already shared with you people listening and their types. If you feel any problem, you can discuss, you can share with your ideas in your WhatsApp group. Thank you very much.